Have you ever wondered how I make my videos? Well, first I find a sound. And then I use that sound. And this is how I do the puppetry. So this is the behind the scenes of this video. So I just put the puppet on a stick, my hand up the butt, and I start filming. And then I get the other puppet to ascend to heaven. And then I get the other puppet.
Did you know if you leave the original Xbox on the home screen for too long, you'll start hearing these noises? These are public audio recordings from NASA, meaning the audio you were hearing comes from space. Microsoft included this to make it feel like the Xbox is alien.
Done in just 3 minutes.